Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adwoa search you. Mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell no so for more news.
Yeah.
I mean, you are not
true. We share 2016 NDC. I mean, 47 for the first time.
Perfect.
Not normally, we 15. We are 12%.
Yes.
23.
Now, bra. Even recent one, no cry to. But once the president, Mama, you be chained MP.
Yeah.
Minister,
we are 23 and MP now 22,000.
Excuse me. Minister, Kurumana Kwan Kasadam pay MP no.
Okay.
What's wrong with Nelo no? Because Kura Ufis, that's a president. Rija be chained wa.
Actually, Bibi.
Because we are Matako, your president. I want to say that the first time president was about 16,000. The Biarne nam 11, 12.
Oh, okay.
The increase up to 16,000.
16,000.
What must I say? And matter above the first time they 8,200.
So about 19,000.
Yeah, but about 19,100. It is uncle for now increase every day. Some NDC nam 29,000. Meaning every year NDC phone be such a.
Okay.
What must I say?
Sure.
Every year be over. And believe me, 2024 we need that. Say you for better papa, especially say we better say Juaboso better papa ma NPP amani.
And one year pay.
Believe me, nyama ekoso no. I didn't say for ehun no. Because someone who say ya the nyama egun sene ani a NPP aban ba ban mu a na say we nya mpuntuo. Mean adia NPP aban ya mami a mani age pa say my brabom. Because of there, my manager pa West North Christian and another Christian by. Your original capital secretary Takradi. Now, so if Juaboso now come meeting with Takradi, meeting maybe I spend 2 hours or no for meeting, no. As I spend 3 days. Because say Obakwa could do Anyumbre, no other hotel bell. The next day now be a meeting, no. The meeting we are unya kamba.
Okay.
That's how Sanda the next day.
Wow. The stress.
And from Juaboso to you also, just 45 minutes. You could a waka cry in Chenibia East. A double cruise to cry watch 1 hour. No drink Juaboso. What I say? That is why the first time say for Chile am I move about 16,000, 19,000. Now upon near yet to tell the man for whom your man for a cano. Just say, Afui 2024, it be in a
because social Quabraminta can donate matter votes or the individual just 3,000. I don't know you know who are with me.
Look at it, Yamba back to 2016. 2016 is not different, it was 1,126. And this is for the bowl says a more bit or more sign increasing vote. Yeah, increasing. Now, look at the percentage wise.
Make sure you are appointing somebody that understands economics. Now, Ghana, your critical thinking no form. Madam Ernestina, welcome. Your critical thinking no form because we talk about we want economic viability. Yet we don't want to elect an economics. How? You want Ghana to move economically. But the Awako school you don't need him. You rather go bring Ubia or the 1632 tactics, politics or Ghana. Obi or the 1632 tactics, Edi Bediadie, and a Mudimirika Ekodiachri. But Nyame on die. Say Yamene pe, Yamene pa, Jordan Bemayeno, or the Nebemayen. Now, Matthew Obi said we should join the Safe Journey Ghana. I would appreciate if you will follow and share my road safety tips. We will have safer roads if we talk more about road safety and what we can do to keep ourselves and others safe. Friend and family may not be aware of things that are obvious to you. Say their Safe Journey for us all can say we should keep our eyes open while we are on the road. Now, Celestina Apia, welcome. Mr. Charity, welcome. Yeah, but starting the program now. Me were a few videos be me pese me de started and the program na nice. Mama yen kind emfa adewe because no be the one throw. Mama say and the NDC for nam. Muntie ni ye me de bia me ba me se fact ninti and me ba ye. I don't want to hide it from you. And now me no ka say NDC for nam say inflation and 63%. Me pa cho sa publication e twemenya no kore. Hey, kill propaganda, am I ready? Political zone for wake up and share the page. Let's go. Me say who call platform biya so, who call social media group biya mu, na NDC for person mo ka kira o say ye inflation. Utie, eye sabe 63% inflation a obwa. Utie, obwa adentia. Just in October, inflation rate 37%. Now, maybe amount the current inflation rate of Ghana, despite all the challenges, despite the ayafemuni nano, me de chemwa, me are me ba sa girl no, your friend is saying, Vim lady no, we been friend of mame, mo on the number montageno, mo on the page so montageno. Now, I want everybody to read this. You're steady. Okay. Ghana inflation rate. Or say, Ghana's annual inflation rate is slightly to 53.6% in January 2023. Ghana inflation now NDC for say 63% na ebu ye komni ade no. Yes say eswa den atie free baby ane wono easy slightly to 53.6%. Et you compare GBA so NPP communicators amusi muni message. NPP communicators amama NDC for achechere monsadi agumachi. Se wamu bana mo beka se inflation akachwa mo so mo fa figures nembra. Or the 63 back actually is obey propaganda. Let me give you the right one. The right inflation as of January, February money away, a nyanko every 53% from a more than 2 decades high of 54.1% in December. Helped by a strengthening cedi. And again, ye cedi no a strengthen. E dia bay na cedi no ho ya den. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ne na by finance minister ne other people what sebe economic management team no so no. What de buy say eniama bi wa yan kokra bio. That is why I said we vote for presidents or we vote for leaders who have solutions, not complain. We vote for leaders who can actually have solutions and not complain. Who says the can because yes, idea where you to me and higher chem, idea where you to me fan higher jai. President gave other directives. And who say, yes, see, no, Sabina, no, yedin, yedin, kakra. And then your main child, the etiquette, we are Jipa, I a freno, bawo, mia, bawo, must have, which is what? Thinking outside the box, generating solutions. Thinking outside the box, generating solutions. And that is why I choose. Utie, that is why I choose to support Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia, whom me say that. Face to face, whom me that. Me who na TV so. I'm not even sure he even knows, say, I support him. He probably doesn't even know. He probably doesn't even know, say, there's this guy going crazy for you in Canada. I see something we all see. But because of politics, because of politics, because of tribalism, because of like religious intolerance in tea, we are sweeping such a good gem. You are sweeping such a good gem to go sit home and bring your prayer ko 11. Omo mechichi omo 9 mayen. Because of all perokwa interest in tino, yamfa abrantia wojina ne nine so a wo gba adwuma na wiase ni na say doctor e dia wo gba adwuma. And then me tie some of NPP for na me ra ho adentia. Me fa 2017 tape, where tape so.